Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I assemble my Tamar Kayak and I hope this video helped you to assemble it much easier. It's not really difficult, but I'm sure if you watch somebody else do it, it's much easier for you. When you want to assemble this kayak, you need a couple of tools. All of the tools actually, when they provide or sell this kayak to me, there was in that front compartment. However, I use my own tools because I find it was better quality and much easier to handle. You need basically three tools. You need a Phillips screwdriver, you need Allen key number 3 metric, and you need a socket 8 mil. I highly recommend use a Phillips screwdriver, not drill, because you don't want to over tight those screws, and with your hand you have much better control. As I said, it's not that difficult, but I'm sure that video gonna help you a bit to have even easier assembly. End of this video also I'm gonna give you a tip about how you may try adjust your chair and foot pedal to have better ride and faster speed when you use your pedal. Then let's get started. Then first let's remove this bar. I'm doing those screws. Off. There is 4 nuts here, therefore 2 for front and 2 in the back. Alright, now those nuts is done. There's in the back. I'll put those, you can tight this one. I want it not very tighted because I want to put this one first. Actually 2 Allen key, one of them they have Phillips screwdriver, but I use mine, it's easier. Therefore now I have to, I suppose, put this one like this and use this Allen key, yes, and you adjust that one to secure your chair. I suppose you don't want to tighten it too much. Therefore this side is done. We go other side. I suppose it's slightly loose, and therefore you can tight the chair with front and align it. Hopefully it's to be good like this. Okay, that's one in. A bit of force. Yes, okay. And of course you can adjust this one like this. It looks nice, therefore you can secure it with that. Therefore, yeah, that sounds good. This part is done. Alright, rudder systems, I take it out. that pin goes here. And those wire, unscrew that nuts. I assume it's got one here, one there. I'm just gonna tie that. But first let's connect it in this. Not, let me pull it a bit straight. It's good. It must socket maybe. I'll make it tight. Okay, that's part done. Let's see, is it working? If I oh yeah, that's down. Therefore, pulling this one towards in front, and I assume putting that one back. Bring rudder up. Rudder down. Okay, that's good. That's looking good. Let's put the handle on for rudder now. Therefore, this is a line which is a line here, and I figure out actually that need to come up, and then I'll try to see if I screw it, hopefully that pull it up. Otherwise I have to use pliers to pull it up. Let's see. You need to tighten it. When the handle goes forward as you sit, let's hope. Oh yeah, it's working. The rudder moving left to the right as I turning this. Alright, that part is done. I'm happy. Let's pack those stuff. The next thing is putting the pedal systems in the place. Alright, this is the pedal system. As I said, you have two spare one for later on, hopefully much later. But first I have to connect those pedal to this. The way to do it, there is a nut here which actually there comes with this spanner. To tighten it, and there is a hole here which goes in and actually lock the systems. Therefore this is, and they have different numbers, depends your, I suppose, your height, you can adjust it to be comfortable. Let's see. I just need to basically come off right off. For this goes in here. For a start, I'll put it number 4 right in the middle to make my life easy. Therefore I can align the hole, and I'll put the screw in and start to tighten it. Use this. One is done. So you can adjust it. I'll just put it number 4 now, right in the middle. The same thing for others. Take the screw off. Put this one in. Press that red lever to pins go out, and when it's locked you can put the screw in with the nuts in, sorry. If you press that pin, put it in, for example, in number 4, align the holes. If I put the pedal in, press that lever in. Therefore, when you are kind of in, you let it go and sit in one of the hole. I'll put it number 4, align the hole, put the bolt back, put the nuts back, put the nuts back, and then tighten it, and use that one to tighten it. Alright, this is done. Obviously that sit like this because you pedal like this, and I want to lose those. There is 4 nuts, as you can see down here. I'll make them a bit loose because this is first time that's going to sit. All right. You have to push it a bit. It's a bit quite tight. It's not aligned perfectly yet. Try to align it. It's not sit yet. Here. A bit more. Okay, now sit down. But you have to push it a bit firm, really. When you are happy, see, can you lock it? That's the lever for locking it. Let's see, I can lock that. Can I lock this one? Come on. Okay, it's locked. Then maybe I tied the screw now. I tied the screw. Sorry, I don't know. Testing the pedal. Working fine. Beautiful. That's amazing how that's push you forward. Right. For here, so obviously there's a strap. You adjust it between for your foot, and it's have a non-slippery surface, which is good. Now the last is put a place for rod holder. This is a mechanism they have. There's quite a good mechanism. You can put different connected to different things. You can put it any side of the rail. I'll put it in this side for there's 2 screws, and you align those nuts under it. Therefore your 2 nuts go here, and then they screw into those nuts. First one went in. You don't want to tighten it too much first. Let's get another one in. I need to align it. Aligned, yeah. I put a bit further back. Yeah, it's good. That's good too. Maybe I should bring it a bit closer to myself. Maybe here. And this plastic, you can lock it, and you can put another connection if you need, or you put that one back in and lock this one if it's not going to come out. Nice and tight using Allen key. All good. And putting our rod holder. I'm going to tie it in. There you go. Not bad, it's done. You have the place for putting the drink bottle, like this. There is a elastic. Obviously when you're getting close to the shore, you have to take your pedal out, and you need to use this one. Therefore this one has 3 holes which you can and push that pin, and your system is ready, and you can actually place it. That's the place for your pedal, and you can lock it, lock this. The elastic go here, it's locked, you're not going to lose it. I'm going to connect some string also to connect it to my chair to make it even more secure. But basically here you go, it's ready for fishing. Now I'm about to give you the tips which I said in the beginning of this video, and I hope this tip make your kayak journey even more enjoyable. As I said it before, this chair has a rail, therefore you can adjust how far front and back you want to put it. Initially I put it right in the back because I have relatively long legs, and I set my pedal kind of in neutral in number 4, which was fine. But then when I add my anchor and other stuff in the back of the kayak, and I went to just ride the kayak, I noticed, especially when it was a tad wavy, the front of the kayak was too light and didn't cut through the water that well. Therefore what I did, I slightly moved my chair forward, and then I can actually made it quite nice, because now I can add my, for example, anchor behind my chair quite nicely, and when I sit, I beauty of this foot pedal, you can adjust it. Therefore I put it now in number 6. They have 7 different type of angle you can adjust to fit your height. And now when I start to riding after that adjustment, my weight distribution was more or less right in the middle, and I was cutting through the water quite nicely, and I noticed the speed of my riding actually increased. It's something maybe you consider. Try to distribute the weight of yourself and other equipment you're going to put, such as anchor, and if you have fishing tackle or ice, you make sure to distribute it just more evenly. Therefore you have much easier ride and faster ride if you want it. Especially it's good when you're trolling for fish. I find it was very effective. The end of this video. I hope you find it useful, and if that's so, please don't forget to share it with your family and friend. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. That also helps me and motivate me to produce more video. Otherwise, again, thank you very much for giving your time and watching my video, and I hopefully see you, most of you, in my next video. Thank you. Bye.